Unlock the culinary potential of your Costco Chuck Roll and transform it into restaurant-quality cuts right in your own kitchen. Today, we're breaking down this impressive cut, so you can enjoy everything from tender roasts to flavorful steaks and hearty stew meat, stretching your beef dollar further. First, ensure you have a sharp, sturdy butcher knife or chef's knife, and a clean, stable cutting board. Safety and precision are key here. Let's identify the main muscle groups we're looking for: the chuck eye, which will become our prime steaks, and the broader muscles that are perfect for roasts and stew. We'll start by separating the chuck eye. Feel for the natural seam between the muscles and slice directly through it, following the grain until you're through the entire muscle. This nicely separated piece is your chuck eye roast, perfect for slow cooking or slicing into thick steaks later. Now, let's tackle the remaining bulk of the chuck roll. We're going to further divide this. Identify the natural separations. Here you can cut this entire section into one large roast, or slice it into smaller, more manageable portions for different cooking methods. As you cut, take a moment to trim away any excessive fat caps or tough silver skin that might be present. This will ensure a more tender final product. The tougher, more marbled sections are ideal for stew meat. Simply cut these against the grain into uniform cubes for slow simmering. And there you have it, a circumflex gyros, a Costco chuck roll, expertly broken down into versatile cuts ready for your culinary adventures. From juicy steaks to melt-in-earmouth roasts and flavorful stews, mastering this butcher technique will elevate your home cooking game significantly. Enjoy.